Hey guys, it's Cheryl here today. Today I'm going to give you an update on my decorative tin can collection here in my laundry room. If you've been following me a while, you've seen some of these. I picked up a few new ones over the holidays, so I want to share those with you. So first I'm going to show you two I picked up. I have another one. I don't know where he is, and it is bothering me. But anyway, he might be with Halloween stuff. But let me show you this one. Look at that one. This is a Russell Stover, and it's raised. My sister gave me this after Christmas. She found it, and she knows I collect them. She thought I might like that. I do. It's so pretty. Thank you, Wanda. Isn't he nice? And then I had sometimes at Dollar Tree I'll pick up some. At Halloween time, I went to Spirit Halloween, and they had this little Chucky. They had Chucky, Michael Myers. I wanted Jason, but they didn't have them. My sister also gave me this little one here with the bear, and it also has raised outside of it. And she gave me this other little teeny one here that comes from, let's see. This one comes from the Smithsonian Library of Congress. And I really like that one. It's Thomas and Jefferson's library. She works for the library in the Smithsonian. Okay, so like these two frozen ones I picked up from Dollar Tree. Minnie Mouse one. Mickey and Minnie, Dollar Tree. Now this one, the Minion, I have another Minion up here. I'll show you. There he is. Can't recall where I got these. I think I got them at a candy store. I believe it was a candy store. I can't remember. Oh, Just Sugar. I did a video on that years ago. But let's see. Now this one is new. North Pole. That was a Dollar Tree one. I got another one from the Dollar Tree this year. I'll have to find it in a second here. I'm thinking about it. That Santa Claus one, he's old. I had him years. I had two, but one of them got missing. But yeah, look. It's a nice one. And then here's some toffee. This one, I bought this eyeshadow just because I wanted the tin. I do stuff like that. That's Santa. And I've been collecting all the new different type of Altoid ones I see because, oh look, here's the snowman from Rudolph. I collect the Altoid ones because I have a feeling that they're going to stop. They're going to stop doing it. I believe that one there is an Altoid. I can't see. Can y'all see? Oops, knocked my tin over. Okay. There's another one. But I think that's Altoids, y'all. Hint, mint. I don't know what it is. But anyway. I knocked two tins over. Okay, that's a Dove one. Now, that was for some cookies. Those are those sugar or butter cookies you get at Christmas. Now I think this is all they do is, yeah, it's the same company. All they do now is this. I haven't seen a decorative one this year anyway, but I wasn't looking. But these are some other ones. I don't know if you remember years ago, a lot of these came from Dollar Tree right here. These three right here are Dollar Tree ones. When you bought stuff from your kids' school, candy or cookies, it came in a cute little tin box. I got this at a yard sale somewhere. I really like this one. I don't know where I got this one from. Somebody may have given it to me. Or I might have bought the cookies because they look good. That's a Dollar Tree one there. That's an old one. I think I got it at a yard sale. These Hershey ones I've been collecting. Every year I get one. But like these up here, a lot of these came from my son's school, except for the Chiclets one. See, these are mostly like spring type. You see the bunnies and the old hats. And that's a little Aflac duck. I don't know, found him somewhere. And look, this is another one that I got from a yard sale. Isn't that pretty? Gotta scope in a little bit. My hand is shaking. And then, you know, if somebody has cigars or whatever, that's a Dollar Tree one. I'm not sure where I got these. I know that's from a school. I'm not sure where this Easter egg one, probably Dollar Tree. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know where this one came from. Somebody probably gave it to me. I hadn't seen these anymore. These are the Snickers. I got 4 of them. And I had picked up for, I think, 4 years in a row. Isn't that cute? I think they're not like, okay, they're all Norman Rockwell. I gotta bend down and get my minion I just knocked over. And then these little ones here, y'all, they still got the candy in them. Claw hammer, spicy ginger root, some more Altoids, Dory. That was Dollar Tree. Okay, now I know what that, I still don't know what that is. I can't see it if it's Altoids, y'all. Anyway, I got 2 of them. That one, I'm not sure where I got it. And you see I got a few more here I need to, remember the old Valentines? See, this is a 10 thing. It's 2-sided, but I don't have it on the wall. It's Star Wars. Phantom Menace. It's pretty old. That's the other side, but I don't like that side, y'all. So I'm turning it back over here to Luke. Oh, whoever that is. Okay, so we're going to go behind the door here. Up here, I got, let me tap that one a little bit. There we go. A lot of these came from cookies and candy from schools. See? Now the Hershey's probably had candy in it. I haven't seen any more of those either. I saw a cute one for Valentine's Day. I should have got it. But yeah, I have what? 3 Hershey ones. There's another one of those Aflac, and then I got the Jelly Belly. Some more Christmas ones. I'm trying to find, I got this Sugar Skull one. Not sure where I got that one. I'm trying to figure out where I got, that's another one. Mrs. Fields. These 2 here were just candles from the Dollar Tree. I just kept the cans, of course I did, right? That's probably from a school. Not sure about this one. And then I got this one. I went to Florida to the Harry Potter thing. Tooth burners, tongue burners. Didn't think they were that strong. Altoids got them beat. And then this one I got, I think around Valentines last year. It's so pretty. Dockers. That one I got at a yard sale too. That's pretty. This one too. Oh, I see the other one. This one is a really old one too. Somebody gave me this one, or either I had bought it. I don't remember. Oh, I got 2 of the, well, that was a Food Line, I believe. I got 2 of the peanut ones. I think they're cute. That's just some cookies I bought from the store because it was in a can. Here's a Star Wars one. Here's a little puzzle in it. I got that from Dollar Tree. Yeah. I just noticed the stormtrooper in the background. Okay, and then Just the typical Danish style. I probably won't put any more of those on there. Well, depends on what the decoration is. This is just a plain red tin can. What else? Oh, let's see. I got Fisherman's Friend. See, the Civil War. So playing cards. Captain America. This one, I guess, I don't know if this is like some lotion or perfume. I had 2 of those. I got another one somewhere, y'all. And then, of course, I had to get those bobby pins just because I wanted the can. But where's that other one? Oh, there we go. Down here. And then the Dickies. And then I really like this Lintz one with the girl, the tea and everything. And then the little Ouija board. That's an old one. I don't know where I got that. But here, guys. This is my collection of tins. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.